And then actually was like,
yeah, about this.
Really, you know?
Yeah,
I was like, yeah,
let's
but
see.
why does it never happen?
Type of glass, and the light transmission is very important. 6 meters long, 321 high, and if it is full from both sides, then it's...
I mean, there are also other ways you can think of perhaps make those steel wagons that you put the glass on, make them more like collapsible.
Units within Scheuten,
Yeah.
which is also transporting for its competitors. And maybe there are even more applications of a truck like this.
The problem you have is you have to get this thing empty in the truck again and bring it back to you. So that means 50% of empty miles.
Yeah.
So what you could do is create a new device that could be reduced in size.
On the side of the trailer, there is an equipment what gives some pressure on the glass that the glass cannot move during the from Belgium to
The question is, how can OEMs make sure that their suppliers take part in initiatives and help reduce the overall environment? Just being reduce the carbon footprint is more than just being efficient. It also has a social component in it.
Now the internet has already totally changed the business really fast. And in 2000,
I thought, what is the advantage for the suppliers? So they invest in these long-term relationships and share information and also give discounts and stuff, but what do they get?
What can buyers do to become a preferred customer? I'm used to think in terms of preferred suppliers.
Commitment and willingness to invest and to support you.
The relationship between the various components, it's a highly technological product, so it is not about price.
We have a problem. That problem is that top management perceives service buying as less complex than materials buying. And then see that there's more weight on that specification phase to get the situation in Germany. And I would do that by spreading a questionnaire.
It is lean manufacturing, but it also is composed of lean distribution, lean new product development, and lean supply.
Because I think lean purchasing in itself is also useful.
Customer behavior attention for the online grocery.
How many questions do you have in the combined questionnaire? Like 50 or 60 or?
I think it's nearly 30.
And another sub-definition is about transaction customization. Is when you decide which one to buy and you pay.
End of 2010, the population of internet users has reached like 400.
Between e-commerce and social media, usage will be my contribution because the trust issue that is very big in e-commerce has been investigated a lot. Now I want to bring that to social media usage.
The intention behind me buying toilet paper are probably different than me buying a Louis Vuitton bag. So it's interesting to see how people's decisions will shift when you move from one to the other side of the spectrum.
Personally, I am a bit against all this green marketing because I think it is a lot of humbug.
Yeah, of course.
Retailer will play very important role to deliver those products from supply side to customer side. Based on the green retailing, which is the store utilization. Frankly, as a customer, as us, we always want something fresh for our daily life. We don't want anything expire or you don't need to be green your whole supply chain, but you can contribute to part of it.
Because actually, the 3PL can provide reverse logistics because it's hard to construct the reverse logistics supply chain by one company because like a bit lag behind compared to America and Europe in reverse logistics. We are less concerned about environment from.
I can send it to you, I guess.
Something for our Facebook page?
Might be. IT application.